We got the coils off. We got the spark plugs off right there. Man, look at these plugs, y'all. Like, this is, I think I may have found maybe my cause of the misfire. But let's look at these plugs real quick, man. And like I said, so last night I just ordered an oil change kit from BMP Tuning. Big shouts out to BMP Tuning, man. I'll drop the link in the description below for my MQB guys and girls. I'm gonna drop that link to the kit that I got. But it's an oil change kit. Obviously come with the oil, the filter, drain plug. It came with spark plugs, 4 new performance spark plugs. I believe they're RS3 spark plugs. And hold on guys, I'm getting a call.